Hello some viewers, how are you all? Welcome back to another video. Guys, in this video we are going to discuss how to install HBase in Mac OS. Okay, further guys, let me try this command: brew install HBase. Yeah, it got downloaded here. Then let me go to ZHSRC. Let us now open this. Okay, so then what we have to do, Control O, enter, Control X. Okay, start minus HBase dot sh, click on enter, BAC, click on enter. Okay, now put JPS, click on enter, HMaster, clear the screen. Gateway HBase shell we have to do, click on enter. Okay, let us do a quick test. Create a table, create a test table. Then I was doing the list, table was there, so one row is there. Disable test table, drop the test table. So we have created and removed the table through HBase. Okay, now click on exit. We can stop HBase dot sh. Okay, now clear it. First what you do, you have to start the HBase. Okay, click on enter. Then check JPS whether HMaster has been started. That's good. Clear the screen. And then start HBase shell. Click on enter. So let me write just create student comma info. Click on enter. Okay, so table student has been created. Okay, now let me put some values, so that we have to use put on the student comma 1 comma student comma 1. Now info name comma, I'll add my name, okay, as click on enter. So it took. Okay, now scan the student. You can actually put scan student. Click on enter. See, column is there, value is as a timestamp is created, row is well. Okay, now count student. You can also count the student. Click on enter. So one row. This also you can do delete all. What I do, student comma 1. Click on enter. It deleted. Okay, now if you want to see the scan student, so nothing is there, so that column got deleted. Hope you like the video guys. If you like the video, please click on like. If you're a new viewer, please click on subscribe. Till then guys, take care, have a great day, bye bye.